Welcome to the Sierra College Library tutorial on using Discover. Discover is the search box on the library's homepage, and it searches for books in the library plus most of the online resources available from the library. From one search box, you will find print books, electronic books, magazine, journal, and newspaper articles, and even videos. Let's try a search for climate change. The default search is for books, articles, and more, so this will give you the largest number of results. Discover will open in a new window and display your search results. Our search for climate change found over 1,400,000 results from a variety of sources. Notice that it also automatically searched for climatic changes, but you can disable that if you'd like by clicking just Search Climate Change. Above the title of each entry, you can see the type of source such as book, article, newspaper, etc. Your search results are displayed according to a relevancy ranking, so the most relevant sources should display in the first several pages. You can sort your results by date if that's more useful, or you can limit your results by a date range by using the publication date limiter and entering a date range. You can limit to physical items available at one of our campus libraries by selecting On Library Shelves. You can also narrow it down to a specific library. Click on the title of the book to get the location and call number along with more details about the book. This shows that the Rockland Campus Library has 2 copies of this book, and it gives you the call number so you can locate it on the shelf. If you want to find out how long you can check out this book, or if you want to request this book to be sent to another campus library, you'll need to click on the Sign In link and log in with your MySierra username and password. Let's remove our limiter by clicking the X next to On Library Shelves under Active Filters. To help focus our topic and search results, let's type glaciers into the search box so Discover will find records which contain the words climate change and glaciers. Take a look at the third result, an article called Climate Change, Melting Glaciers Bring Energy Uncertainty. It's from a journal called Nature and it's available online. Click the title for more detailed information and a link to the full text of the article. This article has 2 options for obtaining the full text. To view it, click on one of the links under View Online. At this point, if you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in with your MySierra username and password to gain access to the full text. One link takes you to EBSCOhost Master File Complete, where you will need to click the PDF full text link to get to the full article. Or you can use the second link and go directly to Nature Online. There's also an automatic citation generator available, which shows you how to cite the resource using one of the many citation styles, such as MLA, APA, or Chicago. It's a great place to start, but automatic citation generators sometimes get details incorrect, so always double check against the appropriate style manual. To find peer-reviewed journal articles, you can use the Peer-Reviewed Journals limiter. This will eliminate book, newspaper, and other sources from your search result. Other limiters are available for finding a variety of resource types, such as newspapers, reference book entries, and even videos. Click Show More to see the complete list of resource types. Keep in mind it's always good to think of additional search terms. For example, in place of climate change, you could use global warming. You'll find that different search terms get you different results. This concludes the tutorial on searching Discover. If you have any questions, contact a librarian.